Hey, this is Garry Dean, PremiumCustomDetailing.com from Tampa, Florida. I'm here at the 3D product store in Miami today. We're about to embark on a journey through this $1.5 million Bugatti Veyron. I've got my main man, David Fermani, my other main man, Barry Thiel over here.
Are we in a Garry Dean video?
Yeah. No. You are right now in a Garry Dean video.
Shit, Garry Dean and Tunch?
The one and only mad scientist, Tunch Gorin.
We're in a Garry Dean video.
That's right, a Garry Dean video. That's how we roll.
Live in Miami?
Hey, I'm sorry, what about
We are live on location.
Give this guy
what about the owner of this place?
Talk about the owner of the store right now. Tell us who you are, where you're at,
My name is Sinan, we're in Miami. This is the 3D of Miami.
What's the address?
In the background, 3333 Northwest 167th Street, Miami Gardens.
And we have Bugatti.
We have a Bugatti here, we got Ferraris. We have a hoop.
We got all kinds
Porsche,
of good stuff.
Aston Martin with machine guns dangling down.
So you can see all the water spots. You can see all of the swirl marks. You can see it's got a clear bra on it, and that's hardly perfect. I am positive David Fermani is going to do something with this fantastic interior, because he finds a way to do something when there's not a lot to be done to the normal eye.
I have my toothbrushes.
That's right. So clearly this thing has not been properly detailed, but if I do say so myself, there aren't a whole lot of other people who could really take care of it. So anyway, this car definitely shouldn't look this bad, but it does, and is no problem, because we're going to take care of it. So we're going to get right on it. I'm going to start getting this thing prepped up so that we can all get it polished, and we'll come back in a few. All right, boys and girls, we're back. We got the man, the myth, the legend, David Fermani right here, properly executing the Garry Dean wash method with HD touch. You gotta love it. On a $1.5 million Bugatti in sunny South Florida at the 3D car care store in Miami Gardens. It's pretty clean at this point. We still got to do the back area and the wheels and stuff like that, but we're also going to be correcting this paint. So it's less important to do a super perfect car wash job and be concerned about every ounce of marring in the paint. It's more important about getting this thing prepped up so we can get the polisher, the pad on the paint, and get this thing looking absolutely amazing like it's supposed to. So we're going to continue on, and we'll check back in a bit. So we just about got this Bugatti all cleaned up. The wheels are all clean. I got all the snot off the tires from whoever cleaned this thing way back in the day, because it had definitely been a while that it had been cleaned. What I love about this whole situation is that it seems like this car is actually being used for a fun sports car that it was intended for. It doesn't seem like it sits around all the time, which is awesome in my opinion. So we've got it all cleaned up. Wheels are clean, tires are de-snotted, and we've got it prepped for a little bit of polishing. It's super smooth, doesn't seem like there's a lot of contaminants involved. So it's about ready to go. We're just finishing up the final wipe up of the wash, and then we'll get started with some polishing. That's right, polishing this $1.5 million Bugatti with the Rupes Bigfoot polishing pad and HD speed. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this with one hand, believe it or not. That's right, that's how smooth this polisher is. David, what's up, buddy? One hand. Look, Mom, one hand. Here, hold this. right, we got Barry Thiel and Tunch Gorin, the owner of the company, over here working on a car. Applying some Nitro Seal, part 1. I just got done dressing the tires with the Ultra Protectant, the thin stuff. I sprayed it onto an applicator and wiped it on. That's right, the main man, down to business.
I only do Bugattis.
We got Barry Thiel actually doing some work today. So we're almost done with this thing. As soon as the Nitro Seal gets wiped off, we'll be in good shape. Oh, it's been a long day working on this Bugatti, but it's looking fantastic. I'm excited to see the finished product. It looks fantastic. So we're gonna let them finish up the Nitro Seal and then give it a final wipe down and call it a day. All right, we're finally done with this Bugatti. It's a 2006, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that before. I'm about out of voice again. I just want to walk around the car real quick and show you what we did to it. Basically, we polished the whole thing with HD Speed, and then we hit it with HD Nitro Seal. Finally done. She's looking fantastic. Nothing fancy, just HD Speed and then Nitro Seal. So finally got it done. Been working on it most of the day at the 3D Car Care Products in Miami Gardens, Florida. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.